Hey there, it's currently 7:52 p.m. Let's check out today's news provided by Google. Trump signals consequences for Michael Cohen over secret recording. Next news. Standoff at Trader Joe's in Silver Lake after gunman opens fire. He and bystanders inside store. Next news. Duck boat changed route on day of tragedy, Missouri Attorney General says. Next news. FBI releases Carter Page surveillance warrant documents. Next news. Police search continues as image of doctor's shooter spotted on video. I'll update you again next time.